We're trying to teach the families of Cleveland how to eat healthy for a lifetime.
Of the most recent data, which was before the pandemic, was children in the city of Cleveland were at 50% of poverty. They're going to school every day and they're hungry. They don't know when they're going to get their next meal. And this kind of a program, partnered with programs from the Greater Cleveland Foodbank, will help them help them have the food that they need every day to succeed, to grow, to learn, and to become the students and citizens that we all need.
This particular project is really exciting for us because we were selected by the Partnership for a Healthier America as one of 2 cities in the country to launch the Pass the Love with Waffles and Mochi. Pass the Love is Michelle Obama's signature initiative to get healthier foods into our communities. And so the boxes come with both dried foods, and then we are able to put fresh vegetables and other things with them, all of the ingredients that are needed. They also come with these recipe cards, 2 or 3 per box, that are written for students and families to cook together, to learn how to make healthier foods together while taking advantage of the food sources that they need.
So we're giving away 2,500 food boxes per week over 9 sites, and it's over a 4-week period. Families will pick up the food boxes. They will cook together as a family and make the tasty recipes that are in the food boxes. So this is a 4-week process. It's not a one-time deal where you give out food and then you walk away. This is teaching families how to cook grassroots and giving them all the tools they need to make healthy meals every single day in their households.